Welcome back to my YouTube channel, the number one YouTube channel for online tricks and tutorials. I got a concern for many people about Paidtotask. Many people are complaining that their payout are getting delayed, some are getting banned, and so many other reasons. So I wanted to make a video to show people how to get to make sure you get a sure payment from Paidtotask. As you can see from my previous video, this one, where I posted my 50 payment proof. You can go through it. For those people who are not aware of how Paidtotask work, you can come through my YouTube channel and see all the 3 videos I had posted earlier. This one, and I think there is other 2 of them. This one and this one. Go through them. So today main video is a very short video. I'm just going to show you the main things to observe and the main causes of you getting your withdrawal delayed or sometimes banned. So today is basically an educational video. So from here I just highlighted them. The title of the heading is criteria to follow in order to get fast payment on Paidtotask. The first thing you're supposed to do, make sure after you register on Paidtotask, make sure you answer the survey test questions on the Google form correctly and accurately. The Google form is reviewed during cash out. So many people are just creating a Paidtotask account. They ignore filling up the Google form. So when they cash out and their Google form is reviewed, they end up making their payments being held. So in case the Google form, you can find it on your email. The registration email you got from Paidtotask, they have the Google form there. Also, if you go to the your account inbox here, my account, then inbox, you're going to see the Google form. If you have not filled it correctly, go there and fill it correctly. Go there and do it correctly. This one, survey quality verification to get payment quickly. I cannot show you how to fill the form because we are trying to recruit people who know how to do surveys manually. So we expect everyone registering on Paidtotask to go to their email and get this Google form, or go to my account, click inbox and fill the Google form here, this one here. So make sure you do that if you have not done that before you even requesting for payment, and make sure you fill good survey questions. You fill them the way supposed to be filled. Then the next point is don't use jumper. And I keep on telling people, don't use jumper or survey bot on Paidtotask. Some people try to be very smart. They think they are very, very smart, but all the accounts which have used jumper, all their payments have been held and some have been banned. So they manually check your completed surveys in your account before they process your payment. Don't try to be smart because they are not fools. They actually review the submitted surveys manually. They really know how to detect use of survey jumpers on computer surveys from their site. Always fill surveys manually and get payment in hours without getting delayed. And I'm insisting again on this point here, this one here, this point. Avoid use of jumper. Avoid use of survey jumper when doing surveys on Paidtotask, because you're going to get banned. Get that right. This is the very important point which many people are ignoring. Then another one is filling real contact information. This means that if you're going to fill your WhatsApp number, make sure you fill a good WhatsApp number depending on your country. So it's because in case of any verification, they will need to send a message to your WhatsApp number or Telegram username, and if you give a wrong number or a wrong username, your payment will be placed on hold until you contact them on Telegram or through their email. So provide correct information like your Telegram ID or real WhatsApp number in case they need to verify your account. If the contact info is found to be wrong, your payment shall be placed on hold until you contact them on Telegram or through the email. So, but best thing is that they don't ask for ID. Yeah, another thing, best thing about Paidtotask, the thing which I've explained even in my previous videos, is that they don't ask for ID verification or number verification. All you're supposed to do is to use your Telegram ID or real WhatsApp number. They already know you are using proxies, so give your real WhatsApp number and your real Telegram ID. Also, there are those people who are trying to be smart on Paidtotask site. They are creating multiple accounts. Just know that one device should have one single account. So kindly avoid making multiple accounts on the same device or using same IP or network to work on Paidtotask on different devices. For example, you could be having two devices, a laptop and a mobile phone, or any other two devices, but you have in each device you have a Paidtotask account, and you are only using one IP. You're not even trying to use different IP. In the Paidtotask system, they're going to record you as using multiple accounts. So if you have to work on different devices, you have to work on multiple accounts for Paidtotask, make sure that in each device you use a different IP. I repeat again, if you want to have multiple accounts for Paidtotask, make sure every device has a single account and each device has its own IP. Don't open on another device using the same IP that you used on another device. That is a straight ban, because it will be shown on the system as multiple accounts, because one IP will be completing multiple surveys, same surveys on another device, and that is very, very bad. So multiple accounts is only possible on different devices using different IPs. Right there, mark here. So you can only use multiple accounts on different devices using different IP on each device or network on each device. For example, one device may be working, if you're in the USA and you want multiple accounts of Paidtotask, you can open one account on mobile data on one account, then on the other account, for the people working in the USA or UK, the other account device can be on a Wi-Fi connection. Or if you're using IP, for the people who are using proxies, one account should be on a one different proxy IP, and the other one should be having a different IP. If you use the same IP on different devices, you'll be labeled as multiple devices and your payment will be held, and you might even be prone to be banned. So make sure you only create one account per device and follow whatever instructions I've given up here. So another thing, each device should have a single account, as I've said earlier. Before working on another survey site that is not Paidtotask, before working on another survey site, into brackets, that is not Paidtotask, on your device, let me break this in. Before working on another survey site on your device using same IP, always remember to clear all browsing data, including cookies, cache, history. If possible, you can clean up your device through factory reset before working on another site using same device and IP. By observing these precautions, you can work on multiple accounts without risk. Let me interpret this one. This one means that if you're working on, if you want to use, earlier we said that one device should have one Paidtotask account, but you realize that the offers on Paidtotask are also on other survey sites like Freecash and Dora.co and Chequity and many others. So if you complete the same surveys on Paidtotask using the same IP on another survey site like Chequity on their InBrain and whatever platform which are similar to Paidtotask, if you complete the same surveys, definitely you are going to get a reversal of your earnings in each of the two sites, because the same IP will be recorded as done the same survey multiple times. So to avoid this, let's say you are finished working on Paidtotask and you want to work on Cointipray of free cache. Go to your device, for example Mozilla, go to settings here, under privacy and security, come here and clear data. I will not clear data because I'm working on this site right now. Just clear data here, and you're going to delete all cookies and everything. Before now you open another site like let's say which site, let's say any other survey site, like which one can we open now, like EasyBucks. It has Imbrain and everything, So my point is, after you finish working on Paidtotask using the CPX or any other offer work they have, clear all. If you're using the same IP, clear your data, which is going to clear your history, cache, and cache, and all the site data for that particular site and whatever work you did on that site using that particular IP will be deleted. There will be no memory of it in your cache. So after doing that, now you can come to another site like this one and start working on this particular site. I'm not going to open it, just an example. I just did this for people to understand better what I mean. So that's that. So, and if possible, if you're using a mobile device which you have not, you can back up your stuff and factory reset before working on another survey site using the same device and IP. By observing these precautions, you can work on multiple accounts without risk using same IP and on different sites. But if you're working on Paidtotask alone, avoid creating another Paidtotask account on the same device. But this trick is only for working on Paidtotask and any other survey site. That's the fifth point. So let's go now. Before you go to finally, we have another issue we have noticed. The people working on where is that? The problem we're having is the off hours, and our off hours, we're having an issue with people doing revenue wall. As you know that revenue wall, this one, it offers creation of an account. For anybody signing up on revenue wall, you have to create a particular account for your account. And as usual, we keep on warning people, don't bypass auto complete the surveys. We review your each survey at withdraw time and will ban you if you bypass any survey. So once you create you open your revenue wall using the same IP, you're prompted to create an account. For example, this email has, on my IP, I have created an account using this email. Some people are doing the mistake. Let's say on CoinsBaron, on CoinTrade, they have revenue wall. Using the same IP, people are using another email address to create another account on revenue wall. Thereby, all their completed surveys end up being reversed, since it shows that they have multiple accounts. So what I mean is that if you are using same IP on different sites, the first email account that you created using on revenue wall, always use it to log in to your other revenue wall on other survey sites like CoinsBaron, Gamers Universe, Chequity. If you're using the same IP, avoid using another email to create another account using the same IP for revenue wall. And if you observe that, you're going to enjoy using revenue wall on multiple sites. Are you together on that? Hope you people understand on that. So if you're using revenue wall, always, and I mean always, if you're using same IP, log in using your email and password on other revenue walls in other survey sites like CoinsBaron, Gamers Universe, CoinTrade, and other sites. And if you observe that, you're going to enjoy using revenue wall. That's many people are doing a mistake. They're using the same IP to do what? To open another account of revenue wall in other sites. But initially you should just log in using the same data that you created first on that particular IP. So that's that. So another thing, Always try to keep in touch with the Paidtotask support, especially on Telegram. You can just contact on Telegram using their username here. You can just say hi or ask anything about Paidtotask site so that they can remember your username, and this can help you not to have issues during cash out. Simply, this means that it's good to interact with the Paidtotask support, even if you don't have any issue. Just contact them on Telegram and just saying hi or asking anything so that they can record your username, and in case you have any issues during cash out or during working on the Paidtotask platform, they can easily respond to your questions very easily and very fast. Remember, as I finish, fill out the Google form. I showed you how to get the Google form here. If you have not done so, on the inbox, always fill the Google form. This one, fill the survey quality questions there. I will not show you how to fill those surveys, because I expect anybody working on Paidtotask is a person who can do survey manually very well. So go there, fill the survey quality questions, and during cash out, if you did fill the form correctly, you are sure to get your payout. So another thing, don't use Jumper on Paidtotask. They review the submitted surveys manually, and in case you use a Jumper, your payment will be on hold, and most times they ban accounts which use Jumper on Paidtotask. Remember to use real contact information. Real contact information you're registering, like Telegram ID, WhatsApp, and I explained the importance of that. Avoid using multiple accounts and all the other things that I've stated earlier. So I'm going to put this criteria or guideline on how to work on Paidtotask on my Telegram channel. So if you're not on my Telegram channel, I'm going to I always pin the link to my Telegram channel under my video description. Go there. You can always go through the criteria guide to get faster payment from Paidtotask on my Telegram channel. Yeah, I'm going to put it there for easy reference. And this guideline can even help you to work on other sites other than Paidtotask, whereby you'll be enjoying earning without reversals of your and my hard-earned money. So with that few remarks, guys, thank you for the support. Yesterday we got monetized, and I'm really happy and grateful for the love you guys have shown me. Thank you for giving me energy to continue doing more great work. I have more great content loading, and look out for my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Keep it locked to the #1 YouTube channel for online tricks and tutorials. Thank you.